Hi guys, welcome back. In the last video, we finalized the layout for our homepage. So today we have to finish some important backend work. Like we have to create our product collections, set up our Shopify policies, and we have to start our Shopify SEO blog post. So first of all, I need to organize my products. So according to my products, I'm creating four main collections. So go to collections. So my collections will be jewelry, mugs, journals, and candles. So I'm creating them one by one. Add collection, add title, products. So select your products, add, and save. So repeat the same process for all other collections. So now our products are properly organized and ready for the website navigation. So So next, we have to set up our Shopify policies. So for this purpose, go to settings, policies. So here are all the policies options available like return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of services, legal information, contact information, everything. So if you click on it, so it provides an option insert template. So Shopify automatically create a policy according to your website details. But my brand is selling personalized and made to order products, so I don't want to use this template. So instead, I'm going to use AI to help me create my policies. So for this purpose, open AI and tell all your product, all your brand informations that what kind of products you sell, what kind of policies you want, and what rules you want to apply all your pages, legal pages. So for this purpose, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So open ChatGPT. I have already prepared a prompt for this. So I'm just going to paste it into AI. Hit enter. So this prompt includes all the important details about my brand, like my products, returns, shipping, and personalized rules, each and everything. So you will get this exact prompt in the description below. So you can just copy it and change details according to your own brand. So, so once AI create policies, go through them and make sure that everything is correct before adding them to Shopify. And I think it's perfect. You can change these details later. I'm just copy and paste it. I'm going to do this quickly. And that's it. Now our policies are ready. So let's move to our blog strategy. And if you remember, while we are working with our product SEO, we saved some blog topics. So now it's time to use them. I'm going to copy one of those topics. So I just open my and I have also prepared a simple blog prompt. It tells AI about my brand, the topics, the main keywords, and how I want the article to be written. It also checks AI to suggest places where I can add my product link. So I'll add this prompt as well in the video description so you can copy it and paste it for your own brand and topic. So blog topic, you can add it here, main keywords and your product link. So once it creates, review it. And I like this one. And if you notice one thing, it also gave you a room to add your collection link here as well. So I like this one, so I'm just copy. No, first of all, we need to add blog post title. Copy this one, content, blog post, create first blog post, add the title and all your content here. So just copy, paste it. So replace the link with the text directly. So anyone click on it, it directly land through to your product page. So how to link? Just select insert link and add your link here. Insert and remove the extra details. And do the same with all others. You can also generate tags. So you can also create a blog featured image by just providing your actual product image. So for that purpose, again, add your product picture. And if you have a time, try to publish one useful post regularly. And the most important thing is to focus on helpful content instead of simply publish them. Make it visible, and that's it. So now our collections are organized, our policies are set up, and our SEO blog strategy is ready. But if you notice, we missed one important thing: our product prices. So we still need to change our store currency and set our product prices. So before we start building the homepage, I think it's important to finish these settings first. So we will take care of that in the next video, and then we can finally building our homepage and turn our design into a professional looking website. So make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.